Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deactivate your Facebook account very easily. Alright, from here, log into your Facebook account and make sure that you open your Facebook application. Then from there, tap right in the bottom and then tap on the wheel right in the top. Then from here, tap on See More in Account Center and then from here, tap on Personal Details. From there, go to Account Ownership and Control and then tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Then tap on your Facebook account that you want to deactivate and then make sure that you select the Deactivate Account option. Tap on Continue. Then from here, tap on Continue and then fill in your password. Tap on Continue. Tell Facebook why we are deactivating our account and then tap on Continue. Alright, taking a break from Facebook, save poaching you achieve, reactivating your account, everything you need to know says it here. Then I tap on the amount of days that I want to reactivate it, but don't reactivate it automatically because I want to know when I will reactivate it. Then do done, tap on Continue. Continue using Messenger. It's not necessary, you can choose it, but for me it's not necessary. Deactivate my account and boom, my account got deactivated. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.